Welcome to Best Productly.
Best Sewing Machines 2025. Welcome back, sewing enthusiasts. If you're ready to upgrade your sewing setup this year, you're in the perfect spot. Today, we're exploring the best sewing machines of 2025, from beginner-friendly models to powerful machines built for pros.
Top 1.
Brother XM3700 machine. 37 built-in stitches, 5 included sewing feet, 17.5 by 7.6 by 14.25 inches, white.
Top 2.
Brother CS55 computerized sewing machine. 60 built-in stitches, LCD display, 7 included feet, white.
Top 3.
Singer Heavy Duty Holiday Bundle. 4452 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine with extension table and 2 presser feet. Strong motor, 110 stitch applications, full metal frame, 1-step buttonhole, and LED light.
Top 4.
Brother XM2700 Sewing Machine. Lightweight, full-featured, 27 stitches, 6 included feet.
Top 5.
Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. 70 built-in stitches, LCD display, wide table, 10 included feet, white.
Check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.